Hi student, in previous lecture we discussed the three characteristics of the transmission media, which is the cost of media, installation requirement and bandwidth. Okay. In today's lecture we discuss remaining three characteristics of the transmission media, which is the band usage, attenuation and EMI. These three characteristics we discuss in this lecture. Bandwidth means the measuring capacity of the transmission media. We can see this point we already discussed. What about the band usage? Band usage, it is nothing but the entire capacity of a bandwidth divide a number of the channels, or the entire capacity of the bandwidth devoted in number of uses or the number of pattern, that is called as a band uses. The number of pattern or number of ways the bandwidth can be divided, that is called as a band usage. Now how the band usage can be used or how the bandwidth can be uses? There are the two types of the uses of band uses. Baseband and second one is a broadband. Broadband. Okay. Baseband means the entire capacity of the transmission media can be transmit in only one channel, that is called as a band usage. That is only one communication channels the data can be transmit from one computer to the another computer. Bandwidth can be transmit in a one channel, that is called as a baseband. Okay. In this the baseband, the signal may be analog or the digital. In a baseband band uses, in this the baseband, the data can be transmit in only one channel, that is a diagrammatically representation. This is the channel or the way by which data can be transmit. Only one channels, from the only one channels, data can be transmit from one point or one computer to the another computer. And that is a best example of a local area networking. And this the local area networking, the one communication channel can be used to transmit data from source to the destination. And this the baseband, the signal may be analog or the digital. The signal may be analog or the digital. That is a baseband. That is a baseband, that is band usage. First point is a baseband. The bandwidth can be used in a two ways. First one is a baseband and second one is a broadband. Baseband is, in this the baseband, the data can be transmitted in only one communication channel. It is example of a LAN, local area networking, and signal may be in an analog or the digital. Okay. Next one is a band usage. Another usage is a broadband. Broadband, in this the broadband uses, the signal can be transmitted in a number of channels or bandwidth devoted or divided into the number of channels. Data can be transmitted from source to the destination by using number of channels, that is a broadband. So the speed of the broadband is greater than the baseband, because in a baseband data can be transmitted from source to the destination using one channel. But in a broadband, data can be transmitted from source to the destination by using number of channels. This is a bandwidth. That is a bandwidth. These signals and this signal can be transmitted from source to the destination by using number of channels or the waves in a broadband. But in a baseband, it can be transmitted only one communication channel. So, the speed of a broadband is greater than the baseband. Next characteristics of the transmission media is attenuation. What is attenuation? Attenuation, it is nothing but how much signal is weak or weakened from source to the destination. How much signal weakened from source to the destination, that is called as attenuation. And attenuation totally depend on the cable length, or attenuation decide the cable length, and cable length can be decide the limitation of that the transmission media. When any media can be used to straight, or when any media can be used beyond its the limit, at that time that the transmission of the signal become weakened from source to the destination, and there is a noise can be or voice can be created, and it decided or it tells that there is some signal is weakened from source to the destination, and that at that time the repeater device can be used to regenerate the weakened signal. Attenuation of any cable is given that the cable bundle, or when we purchase the any cable bundle, at that time there is the attenuation or limitation of that the cable can be given. 100 meter, 200 meter, 500 meter, it tells that up to the 500 meter the signal cannot be weakened. But beyond that the limit, when we want to use that the cable for the data transmission, at that time the signal become weakened and signal cannot be recognized by that the computer. That is attenuation. Attenuation, it is we measure how much signal is weakened from source to the destination. That is attenuation. Last one is EMI. EMI means electromagnetic interference. EMI is electromagnetic interference. When data can be transmitted from any transmission media outside the signal, or the environmental outside the effect can be affected to that the signal, and noise can be created, or signal can be disturbed from transmission from source to the destination. There is a noise can be created, that is called as a EMI. When EMI can be occur, when the number of cables are very close together, at that time the some amount of the signal is absorbed, or the some amount of the signal from another cable can be picked up by the cable, and mixing of that the signal can be occur. At that time the noise of the signal is created, and signal is disturbed from transmission of the data. That is EMI. The best example of the EMI is cross-talking in telephone. That is the best example, because there is two cables, or the number of cables in a telephone lines are very close together. At that time one cable can be pick up the signal from the another cable, and it become a mixed, and we can't recognize properly that the signal. That is called as a EMI, electromagnetic interference. These are the characteristics of the transmission media. In a board examination, there will be the question will ask, explain the any three characteristics of the transmission media, or in a question number 3B or 4B, it will be asked, explain following characteristics of the transmission media. First, any four characteristics can be asked. In board examination, there is a 3 marks question is also asked. Question number first A. Explain cost of media, cost of installation and band uses. Any one characteristics is asked for the 1 marks. that is a transmission media. In this transmission media, there is a question, always question can be asked, any characteristics or any 4 characteristics. In a filling the blanks question, there will be the question is asked, the measuring capacity of the transmission media is a dash dash, that is a bandwidth, that is a transmission media. Okay.
चला